Yeah, so we have organized a 2-day workshop on child rights. Basically, it's on Voices of the Future, a 2-day workshop on nurturing awareness and action for child rights. So, social work department from Tura Campus have taken this initiative in order to bring about the educators, policymakers, and young people and practitioners together to talk about the legal acts and POCSO acts and also about the child rights and child protection. So that was our initiative of organizing from our university. Yes, in fact, it is very effective, and the way we have put the theme accordingly, session-wise, it is very important for the students as well as they're not even aware of what is POCSO. So yes, very much important for the practitioners to come along and give us the awareness and implement it, as in not implement, but giving the awareness for the students. The first technical session that we have was a talk by Madam Patricia Mukim, Padma Shri. So Madam has spoken on breaking the silence, preventing education, community awareness, and media's role in combating child abuse. We also have a next technical session, which was strengthening multi-sectoral collaboration for effective implementation on POCSO Act, which was taken up by Madam Priyanka Watre Sangma, MPS, Additional SP, Tura West Garo Hills, Meghalaya. The third technical session that we have was by our very own district and session judge Bakmara South Garo Hills, Meghalaya, Shri Pravonius Silkam Sangma. He has spoken on the spirit of the POCSO Act, preventing every child, protecting every child rights to safety and dignity. So the next second day session that we have is by Dr. S. Maxwell Lingdo. He'll be talking on empowering youth and educational institutions as agents of child protection. And the next technical session that we'll be talking on is by our own keynote speaker, Madam Meena Karkongor. She will be speaking on the theme empowering communities and schools as frontline of child protection. The third technical session that we have is by Madam Balmuri K. Marak, Deputy Controller of Examination, Meghalaya Board of School Education, Tura. She will be talking on the topic from protection to empowerment, the role of education in fulfilling the psychological rights of children. Then the last technical session that we are going to have is by Sir Tebormi Kandia, District Child Protection Officer, District Child Protection Unit, Riboy District, Meghalaya. The theme that he's going to talk is on recognizing and responding to child sexual abuse, early signs, sensitive intervention, and mandatory reporting.
Batlung travelled far, quite far from the city. He's always left wondering if he's going to get done early to catch the bus back home to his village. Are you tired of waiting? Have you had enough of all the running around? Do you feel like giving up and just going home? Don't worry, you have the right to timely and efficient services. According to the Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act 2020, you have the right to obtain notified citizen-related services in Meghalaya within a given time limit from various government offices, including the DC offices. Be it registration of deeds, application for tribal certificates, or permission for events, you can access details of all notified services here. Many public services are now available under the Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act. You can apply for these services and check your application status on the MSPS DC web portal. If you're unsure how to apply online, seek assistance from someone in your village or visit a nearby common service center. If a service you requested has been unfairly denied or delayed, you can appeal to higher authorities or the Commission to help you get the service. Visit the Meghalaya State Public Services Delivery Commission's website now at www.mspsdc.meghalaya.gov.in. Or you can also visit their office in the Horseshoe Building, Lower Lashmere, or send an email for assistance to cc.mspsdc@gmail.com.